Welcome to Dev English Lab. I'm Sarah, a QA engineer.
And I'm Jordan, the developer. Sarah found a bug in the login button.
Let's get into it. Hi Jordan, do you have a minute?
Sure, Sarah. What's up?
I found a bug on the login page. The button doesn't work.
What do you mean? Is there an error?
No error. I click the button, but nothing happens.
Okay, can you show me the steps?
Sure, I open the login page. I type my email and password. Then I click login. Nothing happens.
Does this happen every time?
Yes, every time. I tried it 5 times.
Which browser are you using?
I'm using Chrome on my laptop.
Okay, let me check the browser console. Wait, I see an error. It says, function is not defined.
That sounds like a code problem.
Yes, I think we broke it in yesterday's update.
So the button looks fine, but it's empty inside?
Exactly. It has no action behind it.
What can we do now?
I'll add the function back. Then I'll connect it to the button.
Okay, that sounds simple.
I hope so. Give me a few minutes. Okay, I fixed it. The function is back now.
Great, how can I test it?
Please refresh the page, then try to log in again.
Oh, it works now.
I'm glad it works.
I'll test it a few more times. I'll check other browsers too.
Good idea. Thanks, Sarah.
No problem. Thanks for the fast fix, Jordan.
Let's grab coffee later.
Sounds good. That felt like a real bug report, right? It happens to us all the time.
Yeah. And I felt that little moment of panic when I saw the error.
Alright, let's pick out some of the best phrases from that. Okay, first one. I said, do you have a minute? Remember that part?
Oh yeah, that's how you started. It sounded really polite.
Exactly. We use it when we want to talk to someone, but we don't want to interrupt them. Say it with me. Do you have a minute?
Do you have a minute?
One more time.
Do you have a minute?
Now you try it alone.
Do you have a minute? Okay, I like that one.
Good. Next. Nothing happens. Simple, but very useful.
When would I say that exactly?
When you click something and there's no reaction, no error, no message, just nothing. Let's say it together. Nothing happens.
Nothing happens.
One more time.
Nothing happens.
Now you try it alone.
Nothing happens. Easy enough.
Next one. Can you show me the steps? I asked you that, remember?
Right. When I wanted to reproduce your bug.
Yes, we use this when we need someone to walk us through a process step by step. Say it with me. Can you show me the steps?
Can you show me the steps?
One more time.
Can you show me the steps?
Now you try it alone.
Can you show me the steps? That sounds really useful for meetings too.
It really is. Next. I think we broke it. You said that when you found the cause.
Yeah, not my proudest moment.
It's honest and it's normal. Developers say this all the time after a bad update. Say it with me. I think we broke it.
I think we broke it.
One more time.
I think we broke it.
Now you try it alone.
I think we broke it. Yeah, that one feels very real.
Next. Let me check the browser console. That's a very common developer phrase.
I say that one every day.
It means you're going to look for error messages in the browser tool. Say it with me. Let me check the browser console.
Let me check the browser console.
One more time.
Let me check the browser console.
Now you try it alone.
Let me check the browser console. Nice. That's an easy one for me.
Last one. Thanks for the fast fix. I said that at the end.
That one made my day, honestly.
We use it to thank someone for solving a problem quickly. Say it with me. Thanks for the fast fix.
Thanks for the fast fix.
One more time.
Thanks for the fast fix.
Now you try it alone.
Thanks for the fast fix. Good. I'll use that one a lot.
Great job. Okay, that's the phrases done.
Good. Those were really useful.
Let's look at a few important words now.
Oh, the tech words. My favorite part.
First word, bug. It sounds like bug, like an insect. It means a problem in the software.
So, I found a bug in the login page?
Exactly. Perfect example. Let's say it together 3 times. Bug, bug, bug.
Bug, bug, bug.
Next word, button. It's the thing you click on a screen.
Like the login button doesn't work?
Yes, exactly right. Let's repeat it together. Button, button, button.
Button, button, button.
Next word, console. It's a tool that shows messages and errors in the browser.
So developers open the console to find problems?
Right. That's exactly what Jordan did in our conversation. Let's say it together. Console, console, console.
Console, console, console.
Next word, function. It's a piece of code that does one job.
Is that the thing that was missing in the bug?
Yes, the function that made the button work was missing. Let's repeat. Function, function, function.
Function, function, function.
Last word, browser. That's the program we use to open websites like Chrome or Safari.
Ah, I use that word every single day.
Me too. Let's say it together. Browser, browser, browser.
Browser, browser, browser. Okay, I feel good about those words.
Nice work on the vocabulary. Now let's move to shadowing.
Ooh, I like this part. What do we do exactly?
We copy the sound, the rhythm, and the feeling of a sentence. It really helps us speaking. First sentence. I click the button, but nothing happens. It sounds natural because it's short and clear. Here's the slow version. I click the button, but nothing happens.
I click the button, but nothing happens.
Now the full, natural speed. I click the button, but nothing happens. Let's say it together, twice. I click the button, but nothing happens.
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 Second sentence. I think we broke it in yesterday's update. This is how developers admit a mistake calmly. I think we broke it in yesterday's update.
I think we broke it in yesterday's update.
Now the full speed. I think we broke it in yesterday's update. Together, twice. I think we broke it in yesterday's update.
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 Third sentence. Please refresh the page and try to log in again. This is a very common instruction in tech support. Please refresh the page and try to log in again.
Please refresh the page and try to log in again.
Now the full speed. Please refresh the page and try to log in again. Together, twice. Please refresh the page and try to log in again.
Please refresh the page and try to log in again.
Please refresh the page and try to log in again.
Please refresh the page and try to log in again.
Okay, that's our practice for today. Before we go, let's quickly look back at what we covered.
Sounds good to me.
I really liked I think we broke it. It's such an honest human phrase.
For me, it was let me check the browser console. I say that in real life, so it felt very familiar.
That's the best part, right? Real phrases for real work.
Keep practicing these lines out loud. Even a few minutes a day makes a real difference.
Thanks for practicing with us today.
See you in the next conversation.